The first step in designing a new workpiece is to define the work area. Using the available commands, the user can create the desired shape representing the raw material to be machined, defining its dimensions and position precisely. Then the user can draw the geometries. Pegasus cad-cam provides a set of tools to create fundamental elements such as lines, arcs, circles, and polylines. Each entity can be positioned and dimensioned with maximum accuracy, making the design process more efficient. The software greatly simplifies the creation of geometries thanks to the automatic snap function, which allows drawing points to be snapped onto existing elements. This system guarantees precision and speed. It is also possible to create texts using the dedicated function that uses the fonts available on Windows. After drawing geometries, the user can edit them using advanced editing tools. The software provides commands to scale, translate, rotate, and mirror entities. Pegasus cad-cam includes specific commands to manage edges and apply chamfers and fillets in just a few clicks. These tools allow the user to round or chamfer the corners of geometries quickly and accurately.